Alright, I'm doing a little work on my 110 panel today. I don't have any power, shore power hooked up or anything to this yet. So I can tell you there's no power going to this whatsoever. What I am starting to do is just one little step to get things out of the way, is I'm starting to run all these wires to connect into the panel that have now run through the bus. Now I have a couple dedicated wires. One will be for the air conditioning. I want that on its own circuit. Also for a refrigerator, because I haven't decided if I'm going to do the 12 volt like the Domestics or a regular small like a college fridge. So that will be the next one. That will have its own dedicated breaker, and then have at least two more after that. This will be for the passenger side. I have a couple outlets there, and then for the driver's side just a few regular outlets, and I actually have one left over. So we're going to get to this, and again, I am not an electrician. This is for entertainment purposes only, folks. Alright, I take it back about having one left over. My plan is to run a wire in behind here to an outlet that's going to the back of the bus. That will be its own dedicated outlet. Not that it has to be, but just because that was a last minute item, that's what I'll use the last circuit for.